says, man, this light is too much for me. Oh, he's coming in here.
I put some turkeys in.
Aw.
Look, both sides. Okay.
Let him look around.
What are you guys doing? Huh? What are you guys doing? Did you want up here to see, huh? Did you want up here to see? Are you hungry? I bet they're hungry.
This is very important.
Now, has this turtle moved at all for you today?
The other little screech owls. Can you see the one in the pipe there? Cute. This guy. Hi, buddy. These little cuties are screech owls. They're really small. There are 5 of them here. They often get hit by cars. This is a great horned owl, and he threw up owl pellet today, which is like fur and bones and things that he couldn't digest, and they throw it up. And this little guy is a barred owl. He's a sweetheart. This is a wood stork, big bird. He stands about 2 feet tall. He came in the other day. He's got some broken toes. Here are a turkey vulture who's very grumpy. You hear how he hisses? He already knocked over his water dish and hasn't eaten anything today. But his buddy down here is a black vulture, and he ate all his food like a good boy. Bob and I got called out to go rescue a turkey vulture today, so we're almost there, on our way. You sure you don't want the net, babe?
I don't know.
Might be, Yay!
Where's your phone at?
I got it. Hi, buddy. Aww.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi, bud.
What's going on? Thought you were. Oh, you only have one glove.
You need another.
Oh.
As long as his head is secure, so grab his head. He does have bugs on him, so if you did hold him or anything, just make sure you wash your hands.
Yeah.
Because you'll get a crawling sensation.
Is it like mites or what are they?
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of like one.
There are 4 gopher tortoises here. They make big tunnels underground. Here's a big one. He got hit by a car. You can see where his shell is cracked. So he's in an incubator. Then we got these guys who've also gotten hurt. Their shells are hurt. You can see this one had a fiberglass patch. This little friend is called a swallow-tailed kite, and his name is Arrow. Here you go. I think we need water, don't we? You got it. You're like a professional too, my God. Stop. My buddies.
Oh, look at them all.
They're coming to say hi. Your friend was on vacation. We just got a call about an injured seagull at the mall. So Pap's getting his catch pole out. And there he is, right there. You got him. You need the glove? Okay. Success. Hi, little buddy.
You're thirsty.